I've got the insider secrets to catch and cook the most delicious pompano fish you've ever tasted. All right, let's dive into today's topic, fishing Florida's Posh Pompano. Now, let's talk about the challenge of catching pompano. These fish can be elusive due to their picky feeding habits, making them a tricky target for fishermen. But fear not, we've got some tips and tricks to help you reel in these beauties. When it comes to catching pompano, using sand fleas as bait can be highly effective. Make sure to also fish during the right tides, as pompano are more active during certain times of the day. Patience and persistence are key when targeting these prized fish. Now, for the exciting part, the key moment. Imagine the thrill of reeling in a pompano, feeling the tug on your line as you battle to bring it in. It's a moment of pure adrenaline and satisfaction that every angler dreams of. In conclusion, remember to utilize the tips and tricks shared in this video for catching and cooking pompano. The meat of the pompano is not only delicious but also a true delicacy that you won't want to miss out on. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there. Try out these techniques and share your pompano fishing experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fishing tips and recipes. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.